Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cosmic. Be prepared for this Shiba price prediction because the Shiba Inu coin could explode tomorrow. Shiba has increased dramatically by 50% over the past week as the Shiba works to recover from the devastating crypto crashes of the previous month, which saw its price plummet to a low of 0.0000789 on June 19. On its way to recovery, the Shiba has already dropped another 0 and is now up 53 over the last 7 days. We will discuss the Shiba Inu coin that might burst tomorrow in this video. Be ready for this increase in Shiba ping costs. Without further ado, check out our most recent content on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis by smashing the thumbs up, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Start the video now. Let's check out Shiba Inu's activities on June 30th. Bitcoin's price was effectively pushed below the $20,000 level by bears, dashed hopes for a rebound in the cryptocurrency industry. The entire market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies, as reported by CoinMarketCap.com, was $884 billion after declining 4% during the previous 24 hours. Ether was trading just beyond the psychological threshold of $1,000 but down 6.7%. Shiba Inu coin led the top-cap cryptos with increases ranging from $1 to 4% during the same period, and Eunice spoke the word Leo 0 times. The possibility that the crypto market could reverse from the highs of the previous week continued to pass a crucial test. This also holds true for Bitcoin, which has been testing the $12,000 mark for a while, and for two altcoins, whose combined capitalization is currently close to levels seen at the beginning of 2018. Despite showing strength over the past few days, Shiba Inu was nevertheless in danger of suffering further losses. Further losses were suggested by a descending triangle chart with lower highs and almost equal lows. Bulls have been being pushed to the downside by the bears, which has caused them to sell and caused a drop below 0.0000, last seen in October 2021. The Shiba price then bounced again to 0.000012 before retreating to take refuge from the descending triangle's horizontal trends line at $0.00096. The level might not hold for a rebound this time, though, in light of the bearish triangle's information and the dollar's ongoing strength. The price strength at 39 and the relative strength index's downward movement toward the oversold area indicate that the bears are in control and have the motivation to start another leg lower. As a result, if the bears succeed in breaking through the $0.00096 mark, a subsequent drop to 0.00007 would increase the number of losses to 22. The local bottle would most likely develop here, providing late investors the opportunity to purchase Shiba Inus or to gain more on the upside. The situation might change if macroeconomic concerns recede further into the background and the moving average convergence divergence MACD indicator keeps rising toward the positive region, igniting a rally in the Shiba price. In such a case, the 0-day simple moving average SMA would just be paring back yesterday's losses if macroeconomic themes fade more to the U-turn, 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 U. A violation of the 0.001208 level during a subsequent run higher would signal the beginning of an uptrend. On-chain data from within the block from a crypto data analyst company confirmed the significance of regaining the 0.000010 psychological level. According to the IOMAP model, Shiba S are in or out of the money around this price, and roughly 1.42 trillion Shiba S were previously bought by roughly 12.64 million addresses around this price. As a result, any efforts to push Shiba S above this level will be rewarded by support from this cohort of investors who may be seeking to increase their chances of profit with the Shiba Inu price. Ranked 9th in the prior week's performances. But among the top 15, it has had the best performance. The price action of Dogecoin comes the closest to a Shiba in its 36 recoveries. The trade volume for Shiba Inu has also been impacted by this growing trend. The Shiba S 24-hour volume peaked at $2 billion during its maiden surge. Since then, it has decreased to about $800 million, but that represents a 150% rise from a week ago. Leash and Bone, the other two coins in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, are currently trading at prices that are 41% and 46% higher, respectively. Shiba Inu's price action, which does coincide with major whale activity in the broader crypto rebound, has also begun to appear as the Shiba Inu's price action, which does coincide with massive whale activity in the broader crypto recovery, has also begun to appear among Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu Doggy DAO voting is still in progress, and the majority is in favor of stopping bone awards rather than starting to produce more tokens before the Shibarium Layer 2 launches. The Shiba crew proposed ideas for how to distribute bone incentives for Shibarium validators while giving Doggy DAO final say. With a staggering 98% of votes presently in favor of stopping awards, the result of the referendum now appears to be apparent. The Shiba team described how bone would fit into Shibarium Layer 2 in a blog post about bone farming. For their efforts, validators receive awards and bones. It states that in order to build Shibarium and reserve bone for validator duties, 20 million bones must be saved at the current price. This represents about 8% of the supply, with just 250 million bones set to be released. However, the Shiba crew does not have this bone, therefore they must consult the DAO to reserve this 20 million bone. Plan to halt bone farming at 230 million, with the remaining stock being saved for Shibarium validators. Option B would raise the bone cap to 270 million and allocate the additional 20 million towards Shibarium. It appears that the DAO members will select option A and halt bones once the voting period opened on June 19. 2 days before the election, Shiba swaps gifts with Shibarium. The voting breakdown favors option A by a margin of 98-2, with 29 million staked bones choosing it and only 557,000 choosing it. Holders contrast the overminting idea with government's capacity to issue money. The use of such inflationary strategies is highly contentious in the cryptocurrency communities. Some people even questioned how this overminting surgery was even possible, voicing concerns about the bone contract. Similar to why Shiba burns desire to restrict the supply of Shiba, some people believe that a lesser supply is better for their personal holdings and the price of bone. If the vote is successful, Shibarium's bone rewards would soon come to an end. The minted bone is currently at 225 million, which is only 5 million short of the suggested ceiling. Instead of 2 years as was the case with the original cap, the Shiba team predicted that this would occur soon. On April 8 of this year, the Shiba Inu coinburn portal Shiba Burn was introduced. The portal began monitoring the Shiba token burn. These coins were regarded as burned and were subsequently taken out of circulation after being transmitted to dead wallet addresses. Owners of burning Shiba tokens would receive 0.49 of all Ryoshi transactions through the portal, which was created in collaboration with the developers of Ryoshi's Vision token. During the course of one night, 218.84 million Shiba Inu coins were obliterated, raising the burn rate by 93.95%. Shiba Inu coins totaling 410.37 trillion have been burned and removed from circulation. Analysts note out that after a challenging 2022, the cryptocurrency markets have entered a bear market. As of now, a market that loses more than 20 is considered to be in a bear market. According to whale numbers, Shiba Inu is still adding thousands of holders, which is a long-term encouraging sign. There are presently 1,176,325 Shiba holders in total. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.